Now you get to see who I was saying was a good cuddler.
Yeah, the one on your lap.
The one on my lap. Yes, and Yoshi is here to talk about this little guy. Who is this, Yoshi?
So this little guy is Mighty Mouse, and he's 3 months old. He is a shelter transfer. He actually came from another shelter, and he's a Chihuahua mix. We're not sure exactly what he's mixed with, but he's also absolutely adorable. Yes,
he's with a lot of cute.
A lot of cute.
He is so cute.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, so Chihuahuas, how big do they get? I mean, as a species, as a breed, they're not very big.
Correct, yes. They typically will get to around 12, 15 pounds on average.
So they're lap dogs their whole life.
Their whole life. And Mighty Mouse is an absolute cuddler, so he's born a lap dog. I mean, he just wants to get in your lap and start cuddling.
He's going to need to grow into these ears.
Yes.
And now they're shaking, they're vibrating.
It's like the better to hear you with, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
And what do you have to keep in mind with a puppy?
Well, you know, with Mighty Mouse, he is a smaller dog. He's got a smaller bladder. So he...
Which is why Carrie's wearing the diaper on her lap.
Right.
It's just a blanket, Dan.
Yes. So, you know, a family who's not going to be home all day is probably not the best family because he probably won't be able to hold it all day. So, with this particular dog, with Mighty Mouse, somebody who's going to be able to give it a lot of attention, give him proper potty training, attention, consistency is going to be a good family.
Okay, what's his adoption fee?
$350, which includes vaccination, the chip, and he's also been neutered. So that's actually a really good investment.
No wonder he's shaking.
Yeah.
He's like, I've been through it today.
Dora,
Thanks, Yoshi.
thanks,
Appreciate
Yoshi.
it.
Dora, what's coming up?
Well, we